All right, let's get back to talking about our weather because, Kristin, as I look over there, I can see there's red on the radar, and that's always a time we want to talk with you.
It's always a bad thing. You don't want red. We don't want
No.
orange. Maybe some green would be nice right now because that we need the rain, but we don't want severe storms. So we're in kind of a hit or miss pattern this afternoon for some possibly strong to severe thunderstorms. And we actually have one severe thunderstorm warning that's ongoing for areas just north of I-80. So we'll show you a close-up of that in just a minute. First, I want to show you that complex of storms that went through this afternoon. That was kind of round one. Trough of low pressure pushed through. Now we're in a little bit of a holding pattern, but there's a cold front that's up to the north, and that's starting to drop down, and it's going to give us a chance for some of these stronger storms to develop as we head through the afternoon. So you see this severe thunderstorm warning that's in effect right now for Mercer and Venango counties. This goes until 12:30. So some of the areas in the path of this would be the Parker and Toby areas on down to East Franklin just a few minutes after 1. So this cell is moving to the southeast very quickly, about 50 miles per hour. But the biggest threats again would be damaging winds and possibly some large hail. And that will be the risk with any of these cells that pop up this afternoon. And you can see pretty much the entire state of Pennsylvania and our whole region is under this slight risk. There's a slightly higher risk down through the Baltimore, D.C. area that they could get some stronger storms. So current conditions right now, we're looking at 84 degrees in Pittsburgh. It's a beautiful sunny early afternoon, but boy, is it hot and humid. You see that dew point all the way up there in the upper 60s. That's that warm, soupy air. And when the cold front arrives, those two interactions will spell some thunderstorms. So right now, mid 80s and even upper 80s in many spots. Beaver Falls already up to 88. Cranberry Butler lower to mid 80s. I want to update you on what is now Hurricane Laura, the track taking it up into right around the Louisiana-Texas border there by Wednesday overnight. And the bad news is it's forecast now to strengthen to a Category 3. But then what's interesting for us is Laura's remnants, the rain left over by the time we get to Friday and then Saturday morning. Here's Saturday 8 a.m. taking a right-hand turn, and it could brush by and give us some much needed rain as we head through the weekend. So here you see FUTURECAST through the afternoon. Here's that cold front touching off those showers and storms. Best timeline will be now up until around 5-6 p.m. with the peak heating around 2 to 5 p.m. That would be our best chance for those severe storms. Tomorrow, more of the same pattern that we've been in. Sunny, warm, a little humid, chance of an afternoon or an evening thunderstorm. There's still a chance tomorrow afternoon we could see a couple of stronger storms. But then as we head into the weekend, boy, do we get a nice change in the temperature. 89 this afternoon, scattered thunderstorms. Some of them could be strong to severe. And our 7-day forecast, 80s, upper 80s the next couple of days. But then after those remnants of Laura and a cold front come through, look at this. Temperature only close to 80 through the weekend. We'll keep you posted through the afternoon and download our KDKA weather app for severe notifications this afternoon. David.